What if the reason love is not staying, money is not flowing, opportunities keep slipping away, is not because you're unlucky, not because the universe is ignoring you, but perhaps because you are trying too hard? Here's the truth that we all need to remind ourselves. The more we chase something, the more it runs away from us. The moment we decide to let go, it starts coming towards us effortlessly. Why does this happen? Is there an actual science behind it? Let's figure it out through this video. You see, you've tried everything. You worked harder than before. You loved people with all your heart. You prayed, you manifested, you affirmed, you visualized. Still something feels missing. There's this constant anxiety inside you. What if it doesn't happen? What if they leave? What if I fail? What if it's too late? And slowly, without realizing, your desire turns into desperation. Your hope turns into fear. And your energy starts pushing away the very things you want. There's a beautiful moment in the Bhagavad Gita. On the battlefield, Arjun is overwhelmed. He's fearful, he's anxious. He's thinking about outcomes. He's thinking about winning, losing, success, failure. That's when Lord Krishna gives him one of the most life-changing teachings. Karmanyeva adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You have the right to action, O Arjun, but not to the fruits of your actions. Why did Lord Krishna say that? The moment we become attached to the result, we lose our power in the present moment. We stop acting from clarity. We start reacting from fear. Let's understand this from the neuroscience point of view. When you're chasing something desperately, your brain gets into the stress response. Your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. And when cortisol rises, your thinking becomes clouded. Your decision-making weakens. Your creativity drops. Your energy feels very heavy. You might think you're trying harder, but in reality, you're operating from fear and lack. Here's the most important part. People can feel that energy. They can feel that desperation. Opportunities can sense that energy too, because energy communicates before words do. Now imagine the opposite. When you let go of the outcome, when you say, I'll be okay no matter what. God is looking after me. The universe is here for me. Why should I worry? Your nervous system then begins to relax. Your brain shifts into a state of trust. You become calm, grounded, magnetic, and from that state, you naturally make better decisions. You attract healthier relationships. You align yourself with the right opportunities. So the truth is this: you don't get what you want always. You get what you are. If you're operating from lack, you attract more situations that reflect that lack. If you're operating from desperation, you attract more reasons to feel desperate. But if you become whole within yourself, if you feel complete, secure, abundant, hopeful that good things will happen in your life, then your external reality has no choice but to match that. This is what spirituality and metaphysics call vibration, what science calls state of being. And this is why the moment you stop chasing anything, including a person, they come back. The moment you stop obsessing over money, it starts flowing. Not because of any magic, but because your energy has shifted. You moved from I need this to be happy to I am always okay. And that is the most attractive energy in the world, the most powerful vibration in the world. Let's do a small practice together. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the relaxation in your mind and body. Now bring your mind to something you've been chasing. Maybe a person, some money, an outcome or result. As you think of what you have desperately been wanting to bring into your life, notice what's happening to your own body. If there's tension coming up, acknowledge it. Any discomfort, any negative feeling, just observe it, accept it. Now gently say to yourself, I release this. I trust the timing of my life. I am enough. God has my back. I am safe. Things always happen at the right time. I am always attracting the best in my life. I trust the flow of life. I am lucky to be alive. I am blessed to live this beautiful life. Now, as you feel the energy of these words, take another deep breath. Breathe in slowly. Again, exhale through your mouth and feel the shift. Feel yourself going from control to surrender, from fear to trust. Trust, which is all about acknowledging you are taken care of. Every force in the universe is working for you. All you need to do is simply keep the faith that God's way is always better than your way, that God's timing is always superior to yours. Smile as you remind yourself faith and peace are the most powerful vibrations, and you choose to embrace them right now. As you continue keeping a smile on your face, visualize something that you have always been wanting to experience in the palm of your right hand. Imagine God's beautiful love, light and grace on your left palm. Join your hands to bring both your palms together and remind yourself, your goal is not yours alone. It is supported by divine power and grace. And so, there is nothing to worry about. You are bound to succeed. God is taking care. And He's not only responding to your words, He is responding to your inner state, your inner being, your energy and vibration. And so it's time to stop chasing and to start believing, to start becoming. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale slowly through your mouth, open your eyes. Repeat this daily to remind yourself that everything will work out perfectly for you if you trust, if you believe, and if you surrender. If this resonated with you, comment, "I let go," and stay open to receive all the blessings God has chosen for you. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.